We want to be able to find the area of oblique triangles using the sine function, or if we have just all three sides, using Heron's formula. So let's go ahead and draw this triangle so we can see what we've got. We have 13 degrees and we have 17 degrees, so there's B, and we have 5. Now, if we want to use the formula then that we came up with, and you could also draw and come up with that if you forget it, but basically it says that it's 1/2, and we're going to multiply by one of the sides, and then B sine of the angle that's between those two sides there. And it can be any two sides and the angle between. So as I look here, well, I don't have any two sides, but I can go ahead and get one of the other sides. So let's go ahead and get B. I have an angle side opposite at pair, and so I'm going to set up the law of sines with B over sine 17, and that's going to equal 5 over sine 13. So multiply the sine 17 over here and go ahead and find B. And when I put that in the calculator, it looks like B is going to be 11.11. So I'm going to go ahead and label that over here. So now that I have two sides, I know the area of this triangle is 1/2 the product of those two sides, so 11.11 times 5 times the sine of the angle between those sides, which is 17 degrees. So now I just have to put that in the calculator, and I will have the area of this triangle, and I'm going to go to one decimal place here, so it looks like when I put that in I get 8.1. They didn't, it just called them units, so I guess it's just units squared. If it would have been feet, it would have been feet squared, and so forth.